I don't know Tom represent for King next up, you know, so check out the dog YouTube page or the body thing or the money thing. I'm saying Nana guys and the whole family. Boof buff now.
Okay, people, we know said Jerry Springer passed away the other day. You see me, I say, at the age of 79, due to cancer. You see me, I say, and you know the whole media world was in a frenzy because it was unexpected. You see me, I say, cause we never hear say him did sick or any of these things, but we see say Spice ex boyfriend Justin was a part of the show. Apparently, he was. I don't want to say he was caught cheating, but we can see by the demeanor of, the lady, it looks like said problems in the relationship. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, everybody knows that Jerry Springer's show is, fake. You know what I mean? It's like WWE. Well, I don't know if it's fake, but I do know most people that go on these shows and go on, like said, their relationship is bad. They're actually friends. You know what I mean? People go on the show for, be famous and XYZ. You see what I said, man? So I give you an update while I go on from not to go on before Love and Hip Hop saga. Justin was a part of, some different saga. You see what I said? Put in the comment section what do you think about that, as well as your experiences watching the Jerry Springer show. You see what I said, my people? Ah, boy. And say I'm already on my lookout for next. But anyway, let's proceed. Okay, people, it look like said dancehall princess turned international pop star Queen Shenseea is responding to Spice. Cause we do a review yesterday saying, pretty at this up Spice subliminally and Spice catch it. And basically deal with the battery dally them, you know what I mean, calling out Shenseea and pretty for sleeping with their peers in the music industry, to get ahead. You feel what I mean? So you can see why Sender say Shenseea trying to prove that she worked hard for her career and didn't sell any front. And before we get into the response, let me remind who doesn't know what go on for that to go on. So this is the post in question that Spice made. You know what I mean? And there's no secret that pretty this up Spice Vaji and I call her hyponymus in a stress free and all of these things and new songs. So when Spice said I told them I have to sell. I've been celibate this year, and they said I gotta be lying. So let's be very clear about Grace Hamilton. Been in the business for 20 years now, and I have never dated an artist. I water pretty. Shenseea, London on the track. And them I call up tourist rally name and all of these things. Manager, producer, London on track, Russian, Ramesh name I call from Shenseea. You know what I mean? Engineer and things. Band members, Shenseea and her baby father was in a band together. You see me, or anyone to get where I am today. You see me, we know she's not talking about Jada Kingdom and first. You know what I mean? So we know said that this them I go out towards they dolly them because Spice even sound kind of racist when she says to all of my beautiful black girls out here. Una can do it, being self-made. So, she's kind of segregating black girls versus white girls versus, the brown in them, you know what I mean? And, Spice fans consist of everybody. So, you know what I mean? It's obviously she had throw some shades, some people. So when they send, they say, look like Shenseea defend, her worth ethic in this business by posting this. You see me saying, obviously it's her, when she just started out in the business. She did do a freestyle. And Lila IK was in this video as well. You see me saying, but Shenseea said, I really came a long way. You know what I mean? Throwback to, 19-year-old me, bigging up some of the greats who helped pave the way for my culture. Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, Sizzler, Beanie Man, and Ninja Man. Listen, I say, and I don't know if Shenseea is throwing any subs towards Ugly Dan and Spice because Spice, Ninja Man, and Ugly Dan name has been a topic of lately, and not in a good way for Spice or Ugly Dan because them are disrespect. The ones them who paved the way. You feel me? And we know say Ninja Man they bring out Spice at one time in her career when she did ugly according to him. You see me I say my people. Put in the comments and also put in the comments how you feel about Spice. Being segregation, in a sense, by, separating the black girls. All right, people, it's not a good look for Aidonia, for be, having all of these luxurious items and smoking and drinking and things and can't pay the dance to them. You know what I mean? 'Cause it look like him name I get caught up in some sauce with Tuff Cracaz, you feel me? And it's kind of a shame because I think that Tuff Cracaz was Ramesh dancer, and we know say Ramesh and Aidonia cool. You know what I mean? Now in a series of posts and deletes, IG story, Tuff Cracaz I talk up the things then because it looked like say some dance competition. Keep the other day, you see me I say, and she said I won, guys. Thanks to everyone who voted and supported. And everyone who did competed, good play. Credit giveaway as soon as I received my prize. And this is a shit tag. Winning Machine and Aidonia, April 20th. And then she made a post. I'm gonna deserve the money that when me, work for hard for, you feel me? And she said, listen, I try to hold my composure, but this unfair. 1 week, no, man. And it me cuss and go on bad, and me are the problem. That's why I'm not love dance again, on a tech dancer for idiot. And the people them not care. You feel me? And she said if the artists them know said them broke and them can't pay the dancers, stop keep competition. We want we money. We rub off we knee and go down on we head. And after edit video just for I beg for something where we work for. Hashtag Aidonia. You know what I mean? Effort una do and she tag all of the Aidonia pages. Let me see me. I know. People putting in the comment section or the Godfather or move. So you see me I say because him have on the latest and things and them can't pay the dance. I say, but I look like say people in the industry and fans now feel what Tuff Cracaz I talk about. You see me I say. So she has to explain to the people them who's making less money than her for bill. Because they have some well-educated duns that disrespect dancers. Do you know while you're making 45K every 2 weeks, a dancer make that in 4 days, depending on what show or management they have, or they can make that in a day. Stop this dancers, cause enough of we have it better than unum. They're calling it 9 to 5. I have a 9 to 5, so no, only a place. I can work anyway. I have qualifications, but God bless me with a talent and 5 very own people. Our own culture despise it. While foreigners come here and learn it and make crazy money from it. Dancing is beautiful, and if y'all can't see it, stay blind. You know what I mean? So, but as you know, those posts have been deleted, so I assume Aidonia got the message because Tuff Cracaz have over 110,000 followers on social media, and she's well known in the industry, and all of these industry people is friends. So probably one of them got caught wind of it and sent it to Aidonia because it's definitely not a good look. You know what I mean? No matter how you look on it, 1 week after, and get your money, that's crazy. And you're supposed to be balling and all of these things and things. You see me? I say, I know the dancer them say Aidonia Bruk. You feel me? Damn. You see me? I say, put in the comment section if you think Ramesh had anything to do with those posts being deleted. You see me? I say, but anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, as usual, I see some stories out there that I feel I need to touch base. Even though I be touching base on them, but on my other channels, But this case with Gabriel King and, his mom, being ordered to turn over her phone by July 31st, honestly, people, nothing is going to come from it. You know what I mean? We already know the child is no longer here with us physically. And they're trying to find out why and to see if his mother have any involvement in it. But, she has an iPhone, which they can't access. You see me? And I think that's going to be the problem here because it's not like said iPhone company is going to give JCF, you know what I mean, access to the people, them things. They don't even do that in America with the ABC boys. You know what I mean? So I don't think that's going to work in Jamaica, you know. And you can't force nobody to give up their password because maybe they forgot. It's similar people. So we're ready to see how things are going to work out in that case. You know what I mean? Even though the Supreme Court judge have, you know, just given Moiley and Issa, the mother of slain 9-year-old Gabrielle King, another 3 months to give the police investigators access to data in her cellular phone. The police have been trying for months to access the phone as part of their investigation into King's gruesome murder on January 13th last year. St. James Parish Judge Sasha Marie Ashley first granted the police a production order in September last year, compelling Leon Issa to turn over communication and other data from her iPhone within 48 hours. But as you can see, that hasn't gone so well. You see, some people, this lady is not gonna give up her password. I don't know if they're ever gonna get closure from this case. You see me, I said this thing bigger than we, people, but me not go longer this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification. Bell to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.